Welcome back, ladies and gents. So today we're going to be looking at effectively like an interactive whiteboard for your stream, so you can do things like this. As an example, obviously there are better uses for that, but let's get into it. So first off, we're going to go to the OBS forum website, and then I'll put the link to this to the GitHub of this, but it is literally on this section here. We'll put the link to the website. Go to the downloads. So you'll go to the downloads, and it'll open up to here. We then download the source code zip, which I have already done. So you'll get the zip, you'll unzip the file, so you extract it all. It's not a big file, and then we go to here. So it's extracted everything from it. We open that folder up, and we're just going to Control and C. We're going to copy all these folders. So then we go to local disk, your program files. Let's just zoom in for you. Oh, I had zoomed in. I forget my buttons. We're going to go to OBS Studio. We're going to go to data. I'm not going to go to scripting. Actually, we're going to go to plugins, front end tools, scripts, and then we're just going to copy and paste that into there. We've already got it installed, so we're not going to worry about it for now. For me, I'm not going to do that, but for yourself, you will need to copy and paste that. So we're just going to minimize that. I am just going to do one other bit so I don't do it on here. We're then going to bring up OBS Studio. We are going to go to tools, scripts. We will just get rid of that, and we'll just get rid of this source at the moment because I forgot to do it. But we're going to show you how to do it from start to finish. We're going to go to plus and add a new script. It'll bring you to this page. It should do. If it doesn't, you need to locate it again through the same bit here. So you go to OBS Studio, data, OBS plugins, front end tool, scripts, and then we're going to double click here. We're going to go whiteboard LUA.lua, and then we've got a section here where it gives you a few options. You can select a custom color. You can select yellow, red, green, blue, white, or then it gives you the custom, which you can select whatever you want. So we're just going to leave it as black, and that's all for this bit here. So we're going to close that. We need to then, down in your sources, you'll get an option to add a whiteboard now. This whiteboard section has to be at the top. It will come up with nothing in the screen. It has to be at the top, or else it just won't work. It won't work properly, and it has to have the source on. Sometimes they do recommend you might have to turn the source off and back on, but from my experience, I've not had to do that much. Then what we're going to do, you can have two options. You can do a full project preview, which I think is a little bit messy when you're actually trying to stream. The easiest one for me was window project preview. We click that, and then we can do that. So we can start drawing. So on the screen and on you can mark up players, you can write on sections, or you can highlight sections. So if you're doing a tutorial, for example, and then you can underline stuff and clear it, it just gives you something a little bit extra. But we are going to add one extra bit to it, because what happens when we've done with what we need to do, say if we clear this off, it doesn't clear it off the screen. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to set up some hotkeys. So we're going to go into your settings, you're going to go to hotkeys, and I'm just going to type in whiteboard. We're going to go control, I think I set mine up as Control-Alt-W and Control-Alt-E, whatever you want. If you've got a numpad, you can do numpads, whatever. Whatever you feel that doesn't interfere with any other things you've got in your stream. That's just an example for now. What I've also done, obviously press apply. You can't see that because the camera's in the way. There you go. So you just press apply at the bottom, and we're just going to press OK. So we're going to go back over here. So now we can do Control-Alt-W and that clears it. But what if you've got a Stream Deck? Obviously, you can set up hotkeys on a Stream Deck. So you just set up a hotkey. I'm not going to set this one up because I've already got one. I'm going to delete that one. But we just go there, Control Alt W, Control Alt E, and it just changes the colours for you. So you can just have a tap on your Stream Deck. Jobs are good. Or if you've got, say, if you've got Leorum board, you can set up a button on there. And if you've got a Fire tablet, jobs are good. I'm not sure. Again, I've said this before. I'm not over sure on StreamerBot, and I'm not 100% sure on BQBot just yet whether it does hotkey support and stuff like that. But we go from that. So it's one of those that may come in the future, and it'd be good to do. So we've got all that. So now we right click again. We're just going to go to the preview project, and we can start drawing again. But this time, if you want to change the colour, I'm going to tap it on my Stream Deck. Again, change the colour. Brilliant. And if we want to clear it all, we clear it. Easy. Absolutely easy. So yeah, I think it's quite a good way of highlighting sections of your stream if you want to. So yeah. Again, please appreciate any support, any likes, any subscribes. We're trying to hit that 1K, and the watch hours are a long way away, but we're going to keep putting out content, trying to do the research for everybody. So please, again, thank you for watching. But yeah, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll stop waffling now, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.